What? I can barely open my mouth. This mask so tight. What is up, Giz Army? It's your girl, LATRICE, back at you again with another video. And today, we're doing a little organization, honey. So, I decided I'm getting rid of all of the products that are under my sink. That some are super old, some I do not support these brands anymore. So, we're gonna go through them, we're gonna get rid of some shit, and we're gonna organize a little bit. What I say? What I say? Yeah, we gonna get rid of some shit and we gonna organize a little bit. Somebody sign me. Sign me, okay? Sign me. All right, y'all, well, let's get into it. All right, y'all, so here is where I store a majority of my products. I have not gotten a shelf for these yet. So under here is where I'm gonna keep them. As we go through this, I'm gonna figure out how I want to organize it, but I do know that I need to somehow keep track of the dates, you know, like when I received items, because a lot of these products are not good. They're not good after like 12 months. So I have to figure out like how to keep up with that. And then some of these products just don't work for my hair, but I might actually give away some because some of them I haven't used and I'm probably not like super anxious to use them. So let's get into it. Okay. All right, so what I'm gonna do is organize, well, take them out. And when I take them out, I'm organizing them by brand. And I think that's how I'm gonna organize them in here. Obviously, when you use products from a brand, they go better together, right? So like using different brands together can create sort of an off-balanced style. I've heard that you should use the brand's products together and not mix brands. So, tis what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, so I have them all organized by brand. As you can see, your girl was obsessed with Cream of Nature. But I did have the most partnerships with Cream of Nature last year, so that's probably why. And then I have a lot of freaking African Pride too. But I actually have less than what I thought I had. So yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put these products back in the cabinet by brand. And that's just, I think that's it for right now. I've already threw away all the products that I knew were in there longer than a year. And then basically right now, today, this week, this month is July. So what I'm gonna do is just call it even and say in 6 months, I'll be getting rid of all of these products. Fresh start, 6 months. So around December time, your girl will have some new products in, okay? Let's get into it. All right, that's another thing is I have this easy liner. I think I got this from Walmart. But if you like live in an apartment or even a house, you know, sometimes these products can really leak. So, get you some easy liner. Line the bottom of this line the bottom up. So that, you know, you're not damaging, y'all, literally it fits perfectly, like what the fool. So you're not damaging, you know, your bottom of your cabinet and with like products. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Let's get into it, you know, some shampoo. Tangler. Sweet Tangler too? Tits. So I'm just gonna keep 2 of these. Curl activator. Co-wash. Let me keep the curl activator. Alright. Cream of Nature. Ooh. Oh, why does it look like that? Let's do it like that, because I don't feel like adjusting this camera. Cream of Nature is in there, like swimwear. Okay, so I think next I'm going to do, I'm gonna do Suave. Suave is complete. I love Earth Supply. It's a really great brand. More info on all of the stuff I really put in here. We're going to get back to you because obviously my battery about to die. What's up, y'all? Okay, so I mean, I know that you saw a little bit, but I got tired. Also, I had somewhere to be, so y'all, literally all those products have been sitting on my floor for about 2 weeks. They've been sitting on the floor for 2 weeks so that I can record it and continue to record it, me organizing. I also found some more products in my bathroom. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how much products we have now. All right, so here we go. We got all these lovely products now that I can organize. So, but what I'm also gonna do is a giveaway. So stay tuned till the end so that you have a chance to win this some of this awesome stuff. Granted, I might have used just a little bit, but I will let you know if you win, and if you still want it, I'll send it to you. If you don't, find somebody who'll take a little dip dab of daisy, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get into it. Alexa, stop. So if y'all didn't know, I am an affiliate of Design Essentials. They're a Black-owned business, and I absolutely love their products, right? And when I tell you my favorites are their shampoo and their deep conditioner. Y'all know I'm a huge deep conditioner fan, stan. But shampoo, I literally don't care for the shampoo process, but their shampoo literally is a hydrating shampoo. Like, I don't feel like my hair is stripped when I use it. But use my code in the description box, or excuse me, use my link in the description box below if you want to make Design Essential purchases, but 100% recommend on me, baby. Back to organizing. Alright, y'all, so I'm done, and I want you all to see, and I'm going to explain how I organized. Starting with the left side. So I mean, as you can see, I've done a lot of partnerships with Cream of Nature, so I have a lot of Cream of Nature products. But what I basically did was I put most of the jars on the back of the walls, and then I put the bottle containers in front of their brand's jar. So for example, Cream of Nature, and I have all the bottle Cream of Nature stuff here. Suave bottle stuff. Moisture bottles. Does that make sense? And I did the same thing for all the other products that I have in my cabinet. And then some are just kind of outliers, like the Eco Styler and the Extreme and the Edge Wax I just threw on top of, and Shea Moisture I just threw on top of the other ones. And then we have just some that just only have like 1 or 2 in the collection that I put over here. So that's how I organized it. I don't know how long this will stay like this, but I'm excited. I don't know how long it's gonna stay like that, but we're gonna try to get it. We're gonna try to keep it like that for a little grippy grip, okay? But I know y'all been waiting for this part, so about that giveaway though. All right, so first we have some items by African Pride. We have conditioner, shampoo, the heat activated mask, moisture butter, leave-in conditioner, and then also sample leave-in conditioner. Next we have Luster's Pink. We got their conditioner, shampoo, hair lotion, glosser, and then also this limited edition uniform glitter gel. I don't know if I'm going to just give this away separate or if I'm going to give it away with the Luster's Pink, but if you want any of it, just go ahead and enter. Next we have Lotta Body, their Elongate Me Curl Stretcher and Restore Me Cream Conditioner along with their Edge Tamer. Alright, lastly we have Cream of Nature, their Pure Honey Shampoo and Deep Leave-In conditioner basically, and then their 24-hour edge tamer as well as a protein treatment. And then lastly we have our Cantu products, the coconut curling cream, their gel, their edge stay gel, curl activator, shampoo, and conditioner. But let me give you the giveaway deets. Okay, so in order for you to enter for a chance to win, you must obviously be subscribed to my lifestyle channel, which is where you're watching this video, The Life of Leslie LATRICE. And then comment done and put your email address in the comments, and I'm entering you to win. It's just that simple. Okay, comment done in the comments, and you will win one of these packages for the giveaway. If you want, specify which one you'd like, and you know, as I pick the winners, then I will send you that specifically. But if not, you would definitely get something from this list. So just enter to win, nothing special to it, and that's just that on it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want more of these organization, kind of like home style improvement videos, be sure to comment that below, thumbs up this video, and I will see you all on my next upload. It is your girl, Leslie LATRICE. Remember to always protect your